Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction. My name is Diki Andrian NPM 234120661 Class AKT 23A. Intermediate Financial Accounting Course. Here I will present about bank reconciliation. Definition of bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation is a process carried out to compare and align the cash balance recorded in the company's general ledger with the balance recorded in the bank statement. The main purpose is to ensure that all of the company's financial transactions have been recorded correctly and that there are no errors in the recording. Why bank reconciliation is important. Bank reconciliation plays a very important role in managing a company's finances. Some of the reasons why bank reconciliation is very necessary include: 1. Detecting recording errors. One of the main benefits of bank reconciliation is to identify and correct recording errors that may occur in the company's general ledger. By comparing the company's internal records with the bank statement, we can find and correct errors such as double recording or unrecorded transactions. 2. Preventing fraud. Bank reconciliation also helps in preventing potential fraud. By comparing the balance recorded in the general ledger with the balance recorded in the bank statement, we can identify any suspicious or unauthorized transactions that may indicate fraud in financial records. 3. Ensuring availability of funds. Through the bank reconciliation process, companies can ensure that the cash balance recorded in the general ledger matches the actual balance available in the bank account. This helps companies in managing cash flow and making more appropriate financial decisions. Example. Based on the records of PT Diki Andrian has a cash balance of 4 million rupiah. While in the BRI bank statement, PT Diki Andrian's cash balance is 3,880,000 rupiah, while what is still in circulation until December 30th, 2023 is number 01782 worth 250,000. Number 01783 worth 100,000. Number 01785 worth 150,000. The deposit of 3,880,000 has not been recorded in the BRI bank statement. Bank BRI charges the company's checking account by imposing a bank administration fee of 15,000 and the transaction was only discovered on December 31st, 2023. The check drawn for PT Diki Andrian worth 1.19 million rupiah turned out to be recorded incorrectly in the company's bookkeeping section by 1,109,000 rupiah. Then on December 28th, it was discovered that a customer asked for a check that had been paid on December 27th. The 300,000 rupiah check had been deposited with the bank and had been recorded on December 29th, which was treated like a blank check. Then the BRI bank had collected the company's promissory note receivable worth 400,000 on December 31st. The bank statement issued by BRI bank showed a reduction of 135,000 which should have been 90,000. 1. It is known. Cash in the company's records equals Rp, 4 million. Cash in the bank statement equals Rp, 3,880,000. Collection of promissory notes receivable equals Rp, 400,000. Bank administration fee equals Rp, 15,000. Blank check equals Rp, 300,000. Company recording error equals Rp, 10,000. Deposit in transit equals Rp, 650,000. Bank recording error equals Rp, 45,000. Circulating checks. Number 01782 equals Rp, 250,000. Number 01784 equals Rp, 100,000. Number 01785 equals Rp, 150,000. Step is to create a table and don't forget to write the title. Here I am, PT Diki Andrian. The type of report is Bank Reconsideration AS of December 31st, 2023. The one on the left is for the company and the one on the right is for the bank. So that the company and bank records are balanced, you must first add and subtract. 1. Based on the records of PT Diki Andrian has a cash balance of 4 million rupiah. So we write in the company's notes as 4 million. 2. while in the BRI bank statement, the cash balance of PT Diki Andrian is 3,880,000 So we record in the bank notes as 3,830,000. 3. Deposits of 650,000 have not been recorded in the BRI bank statement. We write in the bank notes as 650,000 rupiah. 4. BRI Bank provides a burden on the company's checking account by imposing a bank administration fee of 15,000 and the transaction was only discovered on December 31, 2023. So it will reduce the company's cash according to the company's records, so that number 4 is in the minus row of 15,000 rupiah. 5. Then on December 28, it was discovered that a customer asked for a check that had been paid on December 27. The check for 300,000 rupiah has been deposited with the bank and has been recorded on December 29, which is treated like a blank check, so we write it minus the company's amount of 300,000 rupiah. 6. While those still in circulation until December 30, 2023 are number 01782 worth 250,000, number 01783 worth 100,000 and number 01785 worth 150,000, then recorded as reduced in the bank. 7. The check drawn for PT Diki Andrian worth 1.19 million rupiah turned out to be recorded incorrectly in the company's bookkeeping section by 1,109,000 rupiah. Entered the wrong record in the company's records of 10,000 rupiah. 8. Then the BRI Bank has collected the company's promissory note receivable worth 400,000 on December 31. This resulted in an increase in cash in the company's records, so it was recorded in the bank's records with an additional 400,000 rupiah. 9. The check drawn for PT Diki Andrian, worth 1.19 million rupiah, turned out to be recorded incorrectly in the company's bookkeeping section of 1,109,000 rupiah, so we wrote in the column plus the bank column of 10,000 rupiah. Well, the transaction is complete, just add it up. Which is cash according to the company's records with receivables from the bank with a result of 4,400,000. Next, minus the admin fee, bad checks and recording errors with a result of 4,070,000 rupiah. Next, the bank records are added and subtracted with a final balance of 40,075,000. Maybe that's all I can say. I end it with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.